Are your fabrics in CLO3D looking flat or fake? In this video, I'll show you how to make them look realistic with just a few texture maps. Let's dive in. To create realistic textures, we need a few image maps. Base color or diffuse, this is your fabric's color or print. Normal map, add depths and small wrinkles. Roughness or specular map, control how shiny or matte your fabric is. Opacity map is optional for lace, mesh, or sheer fabric. You can create your own texture maps using Photoshop, Substance Painter, or Adobe Illustrator, or you can find some seamless texture on websites. For each of the textures you want to use in CLO3D, you can use this website to generate normal maps and displacement maps. Go to the Fabric tab, click Add and import your base color image. Adjust the scale to match real fabric. Then increase the bump intensity slightly to bring out the details from your normal map. And you can add your displacement map too. Lighting matters. For the texture to really show, make sure your garment is lit well. Then, render using the high quality render in CLO. I have some quick tips for you. Use high resolution seamless textures. Use a normal map even for plain cloth. It adds realism. Roughness should be subtle between 0.3 or 0.6 works well for cotton and wool. That's how I make my fabrics look real in CLO3D. Want a tutorial on sheer fabrics, metallics, or leather? Comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.